Ridge is a game-changing product because it brings together physical robustness, precision, and performance in a way that no other outdoor linear fixture does.
When we say Ridge is iconic to the core, we mean it embodies our commitment to purposeful design and performance.
Our customers can expect to have a consistent product every time.
We did this by engineering a two-piece die-cast housing.
With IP67 ingress protection, IK10 impact resistance, and 5G vibration ratings, so it's ready for any environment.
We engineered a solution using robotics that are equipped with a precision adhesive dispensing system. This system enables us to apply the exact amount of adhesive required for a clean, secure, and repeatable bond.
It's more than just building something, it's building it right every time.
Customers can rely on it to perform in any environment while giving them all of the features they need to elevate their projects. But Ridge is also incredibly versatile.
Ridge is field adjustable and it offers 18 mounting options, making on-site aiming and installation seamless with striation-free precision optics, RGBW quad tech, and high output.
Ridge shines in spaces where both visual impact and reliability matter most.
Its slim, linear profile and architectural-grade performance make it ideal for bridge lighting, stadium facades, commercial storefronts, and high-rise buildings.
With Ridge, you have a wide range of lumen packages and distribution options, and it's going to be able to offer tremendous flexibility and opportunities to transform projects of any scale or type.